Welcome back to our live trading set. Welcome back to our live trading session. As always, Jonathan Simple is my name. And before anything yet, please first subscribe to our channel. Endeavor to show up to our weekly live analysis sessions. And as always, we are having these weekly live analysis sessions. So let me first, I'm gonna be back to you. Let me first call our fellow traders to join us right here. All right. So I'm gonna start with GBP JPY, and as we see GBP JPY currently, GBP JPY is actually still bullish. And if you see the entry last two, if you see the entry last two, it was actually break even, because I have the principle I use when setting break evens is when price just breaks above the when price just makes an internal break of structure, it's when I set my price to break even. So when price broke above this internal structure here, and then broke above, so I made sure that I set my break even. And so price, this trade was out by break even. And what am I looking at GBP JPY next week? GBP JPY, I'm actually, and the truth is I'm not expecting price to come and fill this fair value gap that it left right here. GBP JPY's behavior, I'm not expecting it to come to this FPG here. So I'm planning on using this zone that we're having right here. Literally, once price makes this a liquidity trap, so it's gonna drop lower a bit. I'm expecting for it to drop lower a bit, and yeah, I'll be having an entry somewhere here. My TP will be, I'm gonna be targeting for like 1 to 3. So this is the trade I'm gonna be taking as per Monday, and so I'm bullish on GBP JPY, and that's the trade I'm gonna be having. So let's go to gold. So before checking the gold setup, guys, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe and don't miss our next weekly sessions. Right. Right, this is gold. Guys, as per gold had actually changed structure. If you look clearly at gold's structure previously, it was a bull run, but actually gold had changed structure the previous week, and so I'm bearish on gold, but I'm expecting price to first take off this area. I'm hoping for price to first take off this area. So I'm expecting gold to first sweep off liquidity from its last week's high, then we drop lower with gold. So on gold, as per gold, I'm bearish on gold, and so I'm bearish. As you see this arrow, I'm hoping for price to take off all this liquidity and fill this fair value gap. So I'll be waiting for sales from, so as per Monday open, I'm expecting gold to first raise a bit higher to this order block that we're having right here above, and that's where I'm gonna be looking for sell opportunities. though I'll first wait for confirmations. I'll first wait for confirmations on gold, but for GBP JPY, I'm gonna just use a limit order. So I'm not gonna confirm on GBP JPY. But as for gold, I'm gonna be using a confirmation, and yeah, that's my setup on gold. I'm expecting price to take off this previous week's high, then after grabbing the liquidity above it, tap in this zone, then we drop lower, guys, because I have showed you this is typically market structure. If you study it very well, price changed structure, it broke the previous higher low, indicating a change in structure. So as previously it was a bull run, forming higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, then the previous higher low was broken, and yet it was a valid higher low. So breaking a valid higher low results into a change of character. So literally bearish on gold after a take or sweep of liquidity above this area right here. So I will be selling gold from this point. This is the position I'm gonna be having. I'm expecting for sell opportunities from right here. Yeah. So guys, this is my setup on gold. I'm expecting for sell opportunities, and I'm gonna be having some good sell right here.